Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own custom wood putty. You've seen these at like Home Depot and Lowe's and other hardware stores. Minwax being one of the name brands, but this one's a mahogany putty. I'm going to create today a custom putty using sawdust, glue, some wood color, and a couple other materials that you'll need is like a paper plate, some spatulas, plastic ones preferred, and just towel paper for cleanup. So before we begin, let's talk about sawdust and what size you need and the purpose of it. So as you can see, I have really fine sawdust from Leftover Project, medium chunks right here, and I got large chunks right here. Now you would use large chunks if you have a large gap that you're trying to fill up. And once you make your putty and fill it in wherever you want, make sure you sand it down. And for a project that I'm going to do is pretty much filling in floor gaps. I'm going to use the finer sawdust right here. Okay, I'm going to start beginning to make the wood putty itself. I'm going to start off with probably 2 tablespoons full of sawdust or less. I wouldn't use more than that because this stuff does need to be used as soon as possible, and you don't want it to dry and crack while you're applying it. Okay, so before you start mixing glue into your wood saw, you want to pretty much put some Minwax stain or whatever stain that you're using into it, and then you put the glue. There's a little trick. What I do is I use a straw. One is to pretty much mix it up because I got a little bit less than a third or a fifth left in this can, and what you can do is you can also control how much you put in by putting your thumb on top and pretty much just mixing what you need. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some glue. And you want to mix this. So you're pretty much going to just do this in layers. Keep adding a little bit of the color.